In this video, I am discussing 4th standard mathematics, chapter 12, measurements, weight, measurement, weight, exercise 12.2. Before going to exercise, see some basic concept, addition of weights. In addition problem, add kilogram to kilogram and gram to gram. This is the core concept of addition of weights. Exercise 12.2. Add the following: 2 plus 8, 10, carry 1, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 100 kg. This is 100 kg. Next, second one, 0 plus 5, 5, 2 plus 4, 6, 1 in 100 place, 0. This is 1, 165 kg. 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 4, 9, 1 plus 2, 3, 390 kg. Next, fourth one, 6 plus 5, 11, carry 1, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 1 plus 2, 3, 7 plus 9, 16, carry 1, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 96 kg, 371 gram. Fifth, 0 plus 6, 6, 4 plus 2, 6, 2 plus 1, 3, 6 plus 7, 13, carry 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 1, 163 kg, 366 gram. Zero, 0 plus 6, 6. This is also 6, 3, 4 plus 2, 6, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 436 kg, 366 gram. Second one, solve the following problems. First one, weight of Anil is 45 kg. Aslam is 3 kg more than him. More than him means Anil. Weight of Aslam is 3 kg more than Anil. What is the weight of Aslam? Just add 3 kg weight from Anil weight. Five plus 3, 8. 4 plus 0, 4. Aslam weight is 48 kg. Second one, Reena buys 10 kg of mangoes, 15 kg of apples, and 12 kg of sweet lemon for a function. Find The total weight of fruit she bought 10 kg of mangoes, 15 kg of apples, and 12 kg of sweet lemons. 12 kg sweet lemon. Add all these, you get total. 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 37 kg is the total fruit she bought. Third one, a sweet shop merchant sells 3 kg 200 gram of sweet in the morning and 6 kg 600 gram in afternoon. What is the total weight of sweet sold? Add morning sweets and afternoon sweets, you get total. 3 kg 200 gram in the morning and 6 kg 600 gram in the afternoon. Add all these. 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 0 0 2 plus 6 8 3 plus 6 9 9 kg 800 gram. Just write G also. Mathematical symbol from gram is G. Fourth one, a flower merchant has 7 kg 300 gram of jasmine, 5 kg 400 gram of rose, and 10 kg of champak flowers. What is the total weight of the flowers he has? Add all the three. 7 kg jasmine, 7 kg 300 gram. Next 5 kg 450 gram of rose, 5 kg 450 gram of rose. Next 10 kg 0 gram of champak flower. Add all these. 10 is it not there? 0. Put 0. This is also 0. 0. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 5 5. 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 5 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 2. 22 kg 750 gram. Total flowers weighted 22 kg 750 gram. This much for in this video. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you are not subscribed this channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.